60 isn't the end. It's the ultimate test of your training. While the world tells you to slow down, ancient Shaolin wisdom tells you to move smarter. These are the 5 animal-inspired movements that target the joints, the fascia, and the deep stabilizers that most workouts completely ignore. We're moving beyond bicep curls and into functional dominance. From the balance of the crane to the grounded power of the tiger, this is how you reclaim your physical independence. Let's get to work. Now watch this closely. This is where most people get surprised. This is the crane. Stand tall, keep your chest lifted, then slowly raise one leg off the ground. Fix your eyes on one point and hold. Breathe slow. Stay relaxed. Give it a few seconds and your body starts to respond. Your foot works harder. Your ankle adjusts. Your core quietly joins in. That light shaking? That's your system turning back on. If you lose balance, stay with it. Reset and try again. This is how the body relearns stability. In Shaolin practice, the crane is about calm control, staying steady even when things feel uncertain. Try this now. Hold it for 10 seconds without dropping your foot. Notice what changes in your body. And here's something interesting. Balance like this plays a huge role in staying independent as you get older. One small movement, big impact. But here's where it gets more interesting. What if strength is not just about holding still? What if the body needs to move like water? The next movement feels very different, and most people have never trained this way. Now imagine this, instead of holding still, your body starts to flow. This is where things shift. This is the snake. Stand relaxed, then begin to move your arms slowly in a smooth, wave-like motion. Let your shoulders soften. Let your spine follow. Everything moves together, gently and continuously. As you do this, you may feel stiffness at first. That's normal. Most people lose this kind of movement over time. The joints get tight. The spine stops moving freely. But this is exactly what brings it back. Move slow, no force, no rush, just smooth, steady motion. Think of your body like water, not rigid, not stuck. In Shaolin training, the snake represents flexibility and adaptability, not fighting the movement, but flowing with it. That's what keeps the body young. Try this move for 20 seconds without stopping. Notice how your shoulders feel. Notice your breathing. Something starts to open up. And here's something many people don't realize. Joint mobility is one of the first things to decline with age, and one of the hardest to regain if ignored. That's why this matters more than it looks. But now comes a different kind of strength, not soft, not flowing, but grounded and powerful. The next movement changes the feeling completely, and this is where most people start to feel real strength again. Now feel this shift. The body is no longer soft. Now it becomes firm and grounded. This is the tiger. Stand strong, bend your knees slightly, then form your hands like claws. Slowly reach forward, then pull back with control, like you are gripping and drawing something towards you. Stay steady. Keep your movements deliberate. As you do this, you'll feel your hands, your arms, and your core come alive. This is not about speed. This is about intention. Every movement has purpose. Every pull has control. If it feels intense, that's good. That means your muscles are engaging again in a way they haven't for a while. Stay with it. Slow and controlled. In Shaolin training, the tiger represents raw strength and focused power. Not wild, not rushed, but controlled force that you can use when you need it. Try this. Grip tighter each time you pull back. Feel the strength building in your hands. Notice how your whole body supports that motion. And here's something important. Grip strength is closely linked to overall health and long-term strength. It's one of the simplest signs of how strong your body really is. But strength alone is not enough. What happens when the body needs to react quickly? That's where the next movement comes in, and most people never train this part at all. Now something changes again. Strength is no longer slow. Now it becomes quick and precise. This is the leopard. Stand light on your feet, keep your body relaxed, then make short, fast forward strikes with your hands. Small movements, quick return. Stay controlled, stay sharp. Start slower than you think. Let your body learn the pattern. Then gradually increase the speed. You'll feel your coordination switch on. Your timing improves. Your body starts reacting instead of thinking. If it feels a bit off at first, stay with it. This is new for most people. The goal is not perfection, it's the connection between your mind and your body. In Shaolin training, the leopard represents speed and precision. Not heavy power, but fast, accurate movement that lands exactly where it should. Try this move for 15 seconds, then pause. Notice your breathing. Notice how alert your body feels. Something starts to wake up here. And here's something many people miss. Reaction speed tends to slow down with age, but it can be trained again with the right kind of movement. This is one of those ways. But here's the part most people get wrong. They train strength, they train speed, but they never bring it all together. So what happens when everything connects in one movement? That's where the final one comes in. And this is the one that changes everything. Now picture this, not just one movement, but your whole body working as one. This is the dragon. Stand tall, then begin to move in a slow, flowing motion. Your arms guiding, your torso following, your weight shifting from one side to the other. Everything connects. Nothing stays stiff. At first, it may feel uncoordinated. That's fine. Stay with the motion. Let your body learn the flow. Little by little, it starts to come together. Balance, strength, control, all in one movement. Keep it smooth. No rushing, no forcing, just steady, connected movement. In Shaolin training, the dragon represents total body control, not just power in one area, but strength that moves through the entire body. This is where everything you've done so far starts to link together. Try this move for 20 seconds without breaking the flow. Notice how your body shifts, how your balance adjusts, how your arms and legs start working as one system. And this is the part most people never train connection with. Not isolated muscles, but the whole body moving together. That's what builds real-world strength. Remember at the beginning I mentioned one movement that quietly changes everything? This is the one. Because when your body moves as one, everyday tasks become easier, safer, and more natural. Now here's where it all comes together. How do you turn this into a simple routine without overthinking it? Just 10 minutes is enough. Stay consistent. That's what matters. Start with the crane. Hold 10 seconds on each leg. Do 2 rounds. Then the snake. Blow gently for about 20 seconds. Keep it smooth. Next, the tiger. Do 8 slow, controlled pulls. After that, the leopard. Quick movements for 15 seconds. Finish with the dragon. Flow for 20 seconds and connect everything. Take short breaks if you need. Move at your own pace. Just keep showing up. And think about this. What could change if you did this every day for 30 days? Most people never try. Now one last thing. If this helps you see strength in a new way, make sure to subscribe and stay with me. There's a lot more coming. And here's something I want you to try. Pick just one of these moves and do it every day for the next 7 days. Just one. Watch what changes in your balance, your strength, even the way you move. Because the real transformation doesn't happen in one day, it happens when you keep showing up.